Gang, I want to show you AT&T and Boeing. Those two names are pretty significant today. I mean, Boeing is adding 145 points to this Dow gain, and it would be much lower. As you see, up 95 points. The Dow would be negative without Boeing. AT&T is up 5% right now. Best percentage gain in what? March 2009? Nearly 10 years. Let's go straight to Bill Lee, former head of North American economics at Citigroup, now the chief economist at the Milken Institute. We're hitting record after record after record right now. We could see a triple win here today, Bill. So why isn't inflation moving higher? Because clearly that's what's holding the Federal Reserve back.
You're absolutely right. And there are three indicators that you should always be looking at. How much are firms hiring? Well, actually, they're hiring at a much slower pace than job openings, so that means there's not a lot of wage pressure. Are wages growing at more than 2.5%? No, they're not. And finally, do firms have pricing power? Can they raise prices and leave it there? No, they can't. Every time a firm tries to raise prices, they have to lower it again. That means that there's not a lot of incipient inflation underlying the economy, and that means that the Fed is going to be on hold for quite a while, or should be on hold. And here's where we have the real problem. What's guiding the Fed? We don't have principles. Instead, we have leadership and personalities driving it. And that's why Congress is trying to pass some laws about putting some governance into the Fed.
And the things you're looking at are things like, just look for better jobs numbers and a better move to the upside here. But here goes a great move, Bill. Thank you so much, Bill Lee. The Dow is at a record. The NASDAQ, a record. S&P, record closes. All three of them powering higher on a day where fear is almost non-existent. The VIX is at 9.5, near an all-time low.